Are there ways to protect my sauna from pets and kids?
Definitely keep the door shut. I mean, cats, dogs, they will lay in them when they're not on because it's like a den. Mm-hmm. So any type of den dog loves it. Cats love it. Kids, dogs, no. I mean, the dog nails are going to scratch the heck out of the interior if you let them get in there and jump on and off the bench or on the floor. If you have a scratcher, there's nothing that comes with the sauna that's going to prevent the dog from scratching at it from the outside, and it absolutely will tear into the wood and mess it up over time. But it would be no different than you preventing them from scratching vanity cabinets, kitchen cabinets, anything by a door entryway where they might scratch because they want to go out or do this or do that. The same protective measures that you would use for that, you'd have to deploy for this.
Honestly, I think that they should go watch your how to clean your sauna video, because I think that is going to be the biggest help with kids and pets.
Yeah, I mean, most of the time you wouldn't have pets in there with you when it's on. Cats will like it. Dogs will like it, especially if you have red light therapy. Sometimes they'll lay in front of that stuff. But they won't stick around too long if it's really hot. You know, they naturally know that, okay, time to go.
Hot.
But if you were going to have them in there or something any other time, you would definitely want to put towels down. So wherever their paws step. Same thing with cats. You know, they could dig their claws into soft wood, just like they can a tree, climbing bark or something like that. So you definitely want to put down... I mean, if you're doing it my way, you should have towels on the floor and on the bench anyway. Mm-hmm. So there shouldn't be a large part of the sauna that's uncovered. But if you had a cat that was loose in there, then you have heater grates and it wants to climb them, I mean, it's gonna mess it up.